In this video, I will be showing you how to add music to an invitation in Canva. Let's get started. From the Canva home screen, I click on the invitation category under the Explore Templates section. I browse through the available designs and find a fun barbecue party invitation that I'd like to use. I click on it to see the details and then select Customize this template. Once the editor opens, I go to the side menu and click on Elements. Then I scroll down to find the audio section. I click on See All to view the music library. I can browse through the recommendations or use the search bar at the top to find something specific, like party music. I hover over the different tracks to preview them. Once I find a song that fits the vibe, like this pop party track, I click it to add it to my design. The audio track appears at the bottom, and I can see it's now synced with my invitation. Finally, I click on the Share button in the top right corner, select Download, and change the file type to MP4 video so the music is included. Then I just hit Download to save my musical invitation.